Today I'll be showing you what is the best settings that you can configure for a laptop. I'm going to show you my configuration for this laptop, but this would work for any other laptop configuration as well. So I've got a Intel i5 8 Gen processor with 16 GB of RAM and an NVIDIA 1050 Ti. So, but I have tested it on other laptop with Pentium configuration with 4 GB of RAM. This configuration works for them as well. So I'm going to show you the configurations. Here I have the PCSX2 version 1.40. I'm going to show you the configuration that are there. First of all, in the EEIOP settings, this is what you need to configure. You just need to take a screenshot and configure accordingly. In view, this is the configuration that I have got. In GS, this is the configuration that I have made. The most important configuration would be here, the frame skipping. If you have a low performing GPU, then you can use this particular configuration. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, you can also use this, but this would skip some of the frames. This is the default value, and I have also disabled the frame skipping, so this would not skip any frames for me. But if your computer is not as powerful, so you can skip few frames to speed up the gameplay. And in the this is irrelevant, and this does not changes the game speed. It's just the configuration that I have currently. These are the speed hacks. Few of them are checked, like the MTVU, multi-threaded micro VU. So this is the one that makes a lot of change. Apart from that, no game fixes. One more. This is the configuration that I have. I have selected a default hardware, or I can use the GPU. The default hardware would be using the GPU itself, and the renderer is Direct 3D9. Direct 3D11. You have an option for Direct 3D9 as well, but this is the latest version. And interlacing is set to auto. This is the resolution that you are using. I have been using it with 6x and 4x. I have also tried 8x. So let's put it at 4x for now. And these are the other settings. Texture filtering is bilinear PS2. CRC hack level is aggressive. This is set to 16x. To configure hacks, none of that stuff here. Let me just demo you a gameplay. So I've got 3 games: God of War 1, 2, and Ghost Rider. I'm gonna put God of War 1. Let it be fast. So you can see the speed.
The gods of Olympus have abandoned me.
Gives me a pretty good gameplay, as you can see. Super smooth, super responsive, no issues whatsoever. Let's go back and try another game. Let's select Ghost Rider. I would like to give you a suggestion. If you're using it on a laptop, it's better you plug the power in. So for me, it changes a lot of things. speed is beyond 100%. So, and FPS is 66, so it's pretty good.
Johnny Blade.
And I don't even have the best of the configuration. It's pretty normal per se, today's standards. So you can see this is laggy. So you need to tweak a bit more in order to get the maximum out of this particular game. Yeah. So each game has a different set of requirements in the settings. So you need to tweak. For example, the settings that I have work very well with God of War 1. So that's pretty much it for today. I'll catch you up in the next video. Thanks for staying here and giving me the time. Bye bye.